This video is going to focus on how to fix a parallel park if you've made a mistake. Remember, the manoeuvre doesn't have to be perfect in order for you to pass your test. If you need to make a correction, that's perfectly okay, as long as you observe properly whilst doing so. As the car comes towards the curb, observe all around you, but keep checking where it is. Treat the curb like a wall. If you think you're going to hit it, or even worse, mount the pavement, stop. You can go onto full lock to make the car turn tighter, but if this doesn't work, you can stop and pull forwards. Make sure you observe before you move, turn in towards the curb, and use all of the space in front of you. Then stop and turn right away from the curb as you reverse back, again observing before you move. You can repeat this step if necessary. When the car feels like it's parallel, bring your wheels back to straight and stop and secure the car.